The Parentali Tips Reward Chart, how to use it. What's in the box? In the box you will find more than 550 pieces, to be used by 1 to 3 children. How to configure the reward chart? You will have 3 boarding passes, where you can write the names, targets and current scores of your children using the 4 markers included. You can then attach up to 11 chores to the magnetic board. You can also use the blank chores to customize them. How to use the reward chart? For example, if your children helped you set the table, you can take the token of the color of their boarding pass and give them a point for this achievement. At the end of the day, update your kids' current score. As you can see here, all the magnets are very strong. They do not fall out, even when opening and closing the fridge. How to reward your kids with included passports and stickers. At the end of the week, when your child's target has been reached, you can give him a sticker of the destination city of the boarding pass that you have chosen, to keep a record of this success. Your child can then stick it in his passport and collect as many stickers as possible. You can also reward him by using one of the 100 ideas included in our free ebook to download. Make the parent-child relationship better with the Parentali Tips Reward Chart.